just wanted to give you a little bit of an update today on some things that are going on in the rabbit barn. As you can tell, it's getting clean, and I took and sanitized all the cages today. They are all clean. This whole side is sanitized and cleaned. And the reason why we kind of had to do that is we do it once a month, but we did it before the month is up because we had a little mishap in the rabbit barn the last couple days. So let's go and I can bring you on the little journey on telling you what happened. And I'm really kind of sad about it. So let's go and tell you what we did. Now, one of the things that we had to do because of this little mishap is we had to get our dishes. So what we did is we put the dishes that had all of the food up here. So it's a little bit further, if you can tell, for the babies to see if the babies will stop eating the mom's food. Miss Faith lost 2 babies in the last 2 days. So what happened is we came into the rabbit barn, not yesterday, but the day before. And there was a passed away baby. Same size as these guys. And then I came in today and another one passed away. So these guys are on watch, of course. And I talked to the veterinarian because I do have a veterinarian person that I talk to. And what happened and what we think that happened is we think that because between the 5-month-old and stuff like that, or 5-month-old, the 5-week-old, between the 5-week-old and 7-week-old stage, they usually are weaning away from their moms. And then what happened is when they're moving away and weaning away from their moms, they eat more hay and less milk. But what was happening is these guys, we had this hay, and this hay, I'm not fond of this hay. This hay is not the stuff that we like. And what was happening is they were eating not as much as hay as they should. I'm going to take this down here because I noticed if I don't do it, I'm going to forget. Yeah, I'm going to forget and I'll get you your stuff. Yes, I will. But what happened was they weren't eating enough hay, and then they were going into all of this and they were eating more of the mama's food, and then they got baby GI stasis. So that's what happened to them because we looked at their poop and we looked at all of their stuff that they were doing, and most likely that's what happened, right? So you guys are all on watch. So we took and sanitized every cage, did everything that we could possibly do to make sure everything is good. And we will keep an eye out and give them extra hay like we did. And if they pee in it, whatever, we can get new stuff, right? Yep, we can. So that's what has been happening. So I just wanted to give you a little update on the rabbit barn. It's not always fun and games. Sometimes it can be a little sad, right? Look at, see, we know that you're eating hay. We have you guys eating hay, so that is fun, except for one over there. Come on, are you gonna eat hay with us? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. I'm gonna go and grab that one and see what we can get it to eat some hay. Yeah, I know you're listening. Look at your ears. Yeah, I know you're listening. Come and eat some hay. Come and eat some hay. Look at this. Come and eat some hay. Yeah. Are you gonna come and eat some hay? Huh? Gonna eat some hay. Yeah. Look at your hay. Yeah. So I'll just keep an eye on these guys. Looks like you're eating hay. Looks like you all are eating hay. are you gonna eat some hay? Look it, eat some hay. Yeah. You gonna eat some hay? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're beautiful. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Yeah, you are. This is a Charlie, I think. Yeah, you are. Hi. So we'll keep an eye out and then we'll give you an update on them as the few days go on here. Look at this. It is clean. I just have to clean the floors again because look at the mop. Ugh. But look at this. It's almost done. It's getting better. And then we did put this up, which we have to take the floor and just pull it this way. But now we have a little spot for them. So it's getting better. Look. Yay. It's getting better. We have to clean all this. So maybe by tomorrow, it shall be cleaned. Look at, for a while anyway. Then we have to re-clean it. But we still have to make these this weekend. Yes, we do. We got a couple of them built. So we'll get to that this weekend. And then I did get this done, which I think is really cool. I got this. So this one is rabbit info, male and female. Then we got the rabbit's due dates and how many babies. And then we have to get the bunny info. So then I can just come in. Look. Bam. Gives me information. Then these, all of my rabbits have this. Thank you. It has all of this. On the back side, it shows you how many babies they have, when they're due, everything. Bam. That way I know, and I don't have to write them up here anymore. They can just go right in here, and it's done. And then everybody that comes in and out of the rabbit barn will know exactly what male or female needs their medications or whatever they need. Let's see if I can get in here. Excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. Ella, do you think that you really need to be doing that? Do you need to do that? Do you need to do that? Huh? Do you? What? Do you like my nails? The not to be ate. No, it's not to be eaten. No, it's not to be eaten. No. She pees in there and this is what she does. She's a dirty rabbit. You're a dirty, dirty girl. Yes, you're a dirty, dirty girl. Yes, you're just a dirty, dirty girl. Look at you, get it all over, and I just got done cleaning your cage. You dirty girl. Yep. We need to make her one of these. We did make her one of them, and she peed all over it and got dirty. You're a dirty girl. Look at her. And then we put a grate in here for her, and as all she did is peed everywhere and sprayed all over everything. So, what a dirty girl. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done, Missy? Are you done, Missy? Huh? Girly girl, Ella girl. Ella girl, look at you did to your thing. Look at all this. Excuse me, Ella. I can get the hint. Ella girl. Ella, do you mind not doing that? She says no. This is how she gets it all over the place. Do you want more? Ella, what are you trying to get? Ella, what what you doing? Ella girl. I'm gonna get your booty. I'm gonna get your booty. I'm gonna get that booty. Yep, I am. Yep, I am. Yep, I am. Excuse me. Because I'm just gonna keep on doing it. Ella. Ella girl. I just have to say, give up and let you go at it, and I'll put some more shavings in when I get back to the rabbit barn later when I check up on you guys, okay? Okay, love you. Yes. And little mister's over here in his cage. Hi. And these babies are down here. They are so beautiful. And we got Mister here waiting for some praises. Hello, Mister. Mavi. And we got these guys and Ella and Buddy over there. And we got Claire. We got Nico down there hanging out and Maribel in there. So that's what everyone's doing. And look, it is clean. I just wanted to take a brief moment and tell you that you guys are amazing. Regardless what people are saying, or if you're having a bad day, or things are just going wrong, you still are an amazing person. And remember, you are highly favored and highly loved by me, Jesus, family, friends. So don't give up, because you know what? We all love you at Lops of Love, and you guys are amazing. I love you guys. I hope everyone is having a good day. You are blessed, you are highly favored, and we'll see you on the next video.